Today I'll be showing you how to cook Filipino style spaghetti sauce. We'll be needing 1 onion chopped, 1 kilogram ground beef or beef mince, 1 kilo of Del Monte Filipino Style Spaghetti Sauce, some cheddar cheese for the toppings, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a pan, just add some oil. I'm using here some olive oil. Once the oil is heated, put some onion, have a little mix, and then wait for it to be cooked. So when the onion is cooked, it's time to put the ground beef. Be sure to spread the ground beef apart. Cover it for 5 minutes, medium heat. And then we have to mix some more so that all the meat will be equally cooked. And cover it for another 5 minutes or until the meat is cooked. So we're adding the ground pepper, salt, and the chicken stock powder. And just mix it properly. So we just keep on mixing it, and then we can tell if the meat is ready, if the water evaporates, if it's just slightly dry, and the meat color is a little bit darker brown. And now we can add the spaghetti sauce. Squeeze it properly. Just mix it and boil it for maybe around 3 minutes. Medium heat. And we add the 1 tablespoon of sugar. And here I'm just removing some excess oil. So this oil is from the beef. Finish, just top it on your favorite pasta and top it with the cheddar cheese. Thanks for watching. Bye.